Hello. So today we are going to be doing a Little Mermaid inspired look. I have this water bad side zodiac mini palette and it has some beautiful blues. It really reminds me of Under the Sea, so we are going to be doing that today. So I think I'm going to use the Manipulative, the Moody, and Dead Inside for sure. And if I use anything else, I'll let you know what I use as I go. I am so excited. It just came in the mail today. So I'm going to use not that brush. We are going to use, I like this little brush here. Really easy to get stuff on my eyelids. So we will do the Manipulative color here and put that on my eyelids. Looks pretty. So it comes on pretty light. We might have to put that on with our finger. Let's see. I always find when I first start getting into a color, it takes a minute for it to really apply right. All right. I want that in the corner as well. I do like it. It's very beautiful. Very shimmery. And this side. I'm definitely going to have to go in with my finger to get the pigment I want, and that's okay. A lot of times I do have to go in with my finger to get the pigment I want. Awesome. So let's do that. We will go in with our finger on the manipulative color and let's see what happens. Oh, that is what I wanted. Nice difference. And let's do it again. Beautiful. Lovely. Very nice. I'll just wipe off the excessive with a little piece of tissue. A little baby wipe there. I'll wipe off anything that's on my fingers so it doesn't smudge. So now we are going to use, I think we will do the Moody here and kind of like outline my eye with it. So pretty. I just love that color. I really like that. That is just gorgeous the way it applies. And I love the color on other side. Yeah, I seen the reviews on this on Sephora, and one girl said that she always gets asked what she uses because the formula is so nice, and I can definitely see why. This is beautiful on. So I'm just kind of coming to a point there. We'll do a little better on the other side too. Lovely. And let's bring it in. Really highlight my eye. get this point a little better. Nice. I really, really like it. So now we are going to use the dead side. I'm probably going to use my tilted brush. I definitely am. Just going to make sure that I clean it off first so that I don't get any purple on this look, because I know I used purple last. So I'm just wiping it off super quick. I don't want an undertone of purple. All right. So I'm going to just dip it in, and now we're going to go in the corners. Holy macaroni, that is pretty. I really, really, really love this eyeshadow. It is gorgeous. Well, let's get the other side here. Very, very, very easy to use. Lovely. Now let's put a little dark on the underneath. Very, very, very nice. I like that a lot. So now I'm just going to apply my mascara. And there it is. There it is with the mascara. That's the final look. The Little Mermaid inspired, kind of under the sea. Is what I envision playing right now. I really love this eyeshadow. I definitely give it a 10 out of 10. Looks beautiful. Thank you for watching.